Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add money to PayPal from credit card or debit card or bank account. You can easily add money. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys multiple methods for people who live outside of United States, and also for people who live inside United States. Okay, this is going to be a step-by-step video, so at the end of this video you will be able to add the money to your PayPal. Okay, so just for some people who just want to pay because they want to add the money so that they can pay using PayPal, just in case you don't know this, which I know everyone knows this, you can just link your card. Okay, you can just link your card, and then after you link your card to Pioneer, then if you click here it says wallet. Okay, you can then click here preferred when paying online. Okay, you can click on change and you can click here on your card. Okay, and then you will be able to pay using PayPal, and also you will be able to, like, you are protected. Okay, so if the product is not shipped, or if the service or you don't like the service or something, you can just open a dispute on PayPal, okay, and get your refund back. Now, just in case some people want to pay using PayPal, but if you just want to add the money from credit card or bank account to PayPal, if you live inside United States, just click on transfer funds. Now, after you click on transfer funds, you will find here 3 different options. Okay, so in my case I only have 2 options because I live outside of United States. Now, if you live inside United States, you will be able to find here add the money from bank or card. Okay, at the bottom here, the 3rd option, you will be able to click here on add the money, and then you can add your debit card or bank account to add money to your PayPal. That's if you live in United States. But if you live outside of United States, then what you guys need to do is you want to request the money from yourself. How you can do this? Easy. You just need to click here on request, and then after that, after you click on request, then you want to create a new email address, which I did right now. Now just create a new, don't use the email address you used to log in into your PayPal account. Use another one. Just open a new one. You don't really need to use your phone number to create a new email. Okay, after that you want to add here that email here and request money from yourself. So instead of requesting money from someone, you can request money from yourself, and then you can pay yourself using bank account or debit card or or credit cards. Now I'm going to show you guys how this works. I'm going to click on next, and you can select here how much money you want to request, how much money you want to add to your PayPal account. Now I'm going to add, for example, $100. Okay, you can also change the currency if you want. Now I want to add like $100, so the currency in my country is not dollars, but it's going to be converted to dollars. Here, what is this? What's this for? Nothing. You can just click something like nothing and click on request money, and after that you want to go to the email. Okay, open the email. I'm going to do that right now, and I will have a new email here that says here it's not yet here. I'm going to reload this. As you can see, you have got a money request. Okay, Rashid Otalb sent you a money request, which is me. I requested money from myself so that I can add this money to my own PayPal account using my credit card. Okay, if you click here on pay now, then you don't really have to create a PayPal account in order to pay yourself $100 so that you can add this $100 to your PayPal account. You just click on pay without a PayPal account. Okay, and then you will be able to add here your first name, your last name, and the credit card that you want to use to add the money to your PayPal, and here the address, and here the phone number, and here the email, and here you just need to give some information here. And that's all you need to do, guys. Okay, it's not that hard at all. That's exactly, guys, how you can do this to add money to your own PayPal. Okay, if you have any questions, you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Make sure to drop a like on this tutorial. Like I said, any question you don't if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.